wind, it'll get really fierce and then calm down, but when it's fierce, it's throwing like javelin type limbs out of the tree, so you just kind of have to step back and take cover. We've hit a calm moment for the second, so everyone stay safe out there. And if you get any tornado warnings, hit the basement, hit the bathroom, tub, whatever. Just stay safe.